Hey friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I have you all very precariously placed on the windowsill of the garden library. I'm just getting used to this structure, so let me know how the sound is in here. But today what I want to do is tackle some early spring garden maintenance. I want to edge the hydrangea room, divide some hellebores, trim my boxwoods for the season, plant out some new herbs into the garden, and I think I'm going to need to ask my husband for some help. I want to remove that really large grass that has really overtaken a large portion of the main flower walk. So let's get right to work, but before we do that, let me take you off the windowsill here and kind of show you what it looks like right now from inside the garden library. Right here, things look good. What is that, Instagram versus reality? But over here, I'm not sure if you can see, but we have major issues going on in the backyard, which I will show you really soon. You can see it's pretty wet out here at the moment, but a lot of you, hey Grace, here's Gracie. A lot of beautiful things are in bloom at the moment, so at least we'll be surrounded by some beautiful flowers, even if we have to run inside and escape the rain every once in a while.